Yeah, okay, mate. So let's look at Phil here. I know you posted this yesterday. I was away yesterday evening. This was at 3 a.m. anyway. It was pretty late. But thoughts on Phil? Um, like overall, it is looking good. I'm still holding Phil. We did. I posted here and showed you. This fractal that we found last week. Nelly here found it. Fantastic fractal. I made a video about it here as well. So you can. There's the video here down the bottom. But he found the fractal here. It's a fantastic fractal. But basically, it's a daily apex is what it is. There's many charts that look like it. Um, but you can see here, when you recapture the white 100 moving average here, there is the possibility of that causing more upside. Now, when we looked deeper into that, there was, the dip back down here into the blue 50 held on FET last time. So you can see down in here, see where this held here. So you move up, you drop down, you grind around, and then you move back up and out. Now, can the market actually run? Can FET actually run? FET is a larger market cap, I think, than FET was. Sorry, FET is a larger market cap. I said that wrong. Phil is a larger market cap than FET, from memory. So I don't know if it can do what this done, but a move and breaking up here is it is nice and it's good to see it. I mean, I'm holding Phil at this point. You have to think at least price is going to move up to here, right? That's usually the first target. Now we need when you get here, then you got to watch and see how price develops. Is it going to moon or is it going to start to reject and maybe fail and come back down? But you got to watch and see the price action. You can see the way this broke out, and it never really dipped below any of the major moving averages. It pierced below the yellow here, pierced below the yellow here, but it stayed fairly strong the entire way. So it's good to look out for weakness, starting to break some moving averages, or maybe a weekly reversal, or a bearish weekly stop hunt, or bearish monthly stop hunts and stuff. So we will need to watch it then when we get there. If I just zoom out a little bit, you can kind of see the two fractals. You get the base here, and you get the breakdown. You get the base, you get the breakdown. But when you move back up and recapture the white 100 moving average, then price can run. So basically, the entire market at this point is having a green 9-week candle. It's also a green 3-month candle, as you can see here. Now, sometimes these can lead to more upside. Sometimes you get a rejection. Sometimes you come down before you go higher, and sometimes you open up a new 3-month and just continue higher. But it is implying, this bullish engulfing candle, it does imply that there should be more upside in the market. So when we start getting into a new 3-month and a new 9-week, now it's still a month away, it's a long way away, so I don't want to be getting ahead of myself, but I just want to state that this is bullish. Now it is difficult buying here. I'm not sure if you're buying it or whatever. I'm already holding, but it is difficult buying here because you're bounced back up into the top of here, top of the previous candle. But anyway, it does look like there should be more upside, when it's ready. So you can see here there is a beautiful compression and squeeze here, and you can see that we just get that pop up. Now, quite often the price likes to break out above this white 100. So to me, it doesn't look topped yet. Obviously we got to see, but it usually likes to break up higher here. It's up 7-8% today. So I'm not sure if you bought yesterday or last night. Well, it was earlier today, I think, actually. Yeah, well, it was earlier today, but you can see that squeeze. So yeah, hopefully we get we get some continuation to the upside. You can kind of see as well, the RSI is looking fairly good. You can see it's the highest RSI here on a 3-day chart. I'm not going to say ever, but since the bull run, as you can see here. So we got to keep an eye on it. We got to watch and see if there's any weakness coming into the market or whatever. But for right now, it's still looking pretty good.